What if I told you there's a single plant that could boost your energy, strengthen your immune system, support weight loss, fight inflammation, and even help balance your blood sugar? This isn't some exotic miracle from an infomercial. It's real, it's been used for centuries, and you might be able to grow it in your backyard. Meet Moringa, the tree of life, the ultimate super herb that the world is calling nature's multivitamin. Moringa, also known as Moringa oleifera, has been a staple in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for over 4,000 years. Native to parts of Africa and Asia, every part of this plant, leaves, pods, seeds, and roots, is edible and brimming with nutrients. Just a handful of moringa leaves contains more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. No wonder it's been called the most nutrient-dense plant on Earth. In today's video, we'll explore the top health benefits of moringa, backed by modern research, and I'll share 5 simple, delicious recipes so you can add this super herb to your daily diet without fuss. Number 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Moringa is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, along with essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Its protein content is unusually high for a plant, making it an excellent choice for vegans and vegetarians. Plus, it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Thanks to compounds like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, moringa helps fight oxidative stress, one of the leading contributors to aging, chronic disease, and cellular damage. Studies suggest moringa can significantly reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and obesity. Number 3. Blood sugar and cholesterol regulation. Several studies have shown moringa's potential to stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a valuable ally for those at risk of type 2 diabetes. It may also help reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol, supporting overall heart health. Number 4. Brain and mood support. Rich in antioxidants and neuroprotective compounds, moringa has been linked to improved brain function, better focus, and mood stability. Some research even suggests it may protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Number 5. Digestive health and detox. Moringa leaves are high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, and they may also act as a gentle detoxifying agent, supporting liver function and cleansing the body of harmful toxins. As promised, here are 5 simple and tasty moringa recipes. 1. Moringa smoothie boost. Blend 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, a handful of spinach, 1 TSP moringa powder, and ice. Perfect for an energizing breakfast. 2. Moringa tea. Steep 1 TSP dried moringa leaves or powder in hot water for 5 minutes. Add lemon and honey for flavor. 3. Moringa omelet. Add 1 TSP moringa powder to your egg mix with chopped onions, tomatoes, and spinach for a nutrient-rich start to your day. 4. Moringa energy bites. Mix rolled oats, peanut butter, honey, chia seeds, and 1 TBSP moringa powder. Shape into small balls and refrigerate. 5. Moringa soup. Simmer onions, garlic, carrots, celery, and vegetable broth. Add 1-2 TSP moringa powder at the end for a health boost. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Moringa is not just a supplement, it's food. You don't have to buy expensive powders or capsules. You can use it fresh, dried, or cooked. And in many countries, it's literally planted in home gardens as a daily source of nutrition. This means you could have a sustainable, self-replenishing source of superfood right at home. So, will moringa live up to the hype for you? The best way to find out is to try it. Whether you sip it as tea, blend it into a smoothie, or sprinkle it over your meals, this super herb could become your secret weapon for better health. If you've ever tried moringa, or you're planning to, drop your favorite way to use it in the comments. And if you want more superfood deep dives, make sure to subscribe. Your next life-changing ingredient might just be 1 video away.